bit freaked out right now. Let me tell you why. I was really uncomfortable and I couldn't figure out why. And then I realized I was sitting on this piece, okay? I don't recognize this. At least I didn't for a little bit. And I kept wondering, like, how would this part make its way into my car? I don't even own anything pink. And then I realized I actually do pepper spray on my keychain. I own pink pepper spray, and this was a part of it. So let me show you. It's gone. There's nothing in this tube. It's empty. Where is my pepper spray?
Let's go.
I slept like 5 hours last night and I felt like I slept 10. I feel awesome, which is good because I have a long day today. It's around 9 and I've already finished my first errand. Now I've got to drive down into Houston, which I know I say I live in Houston, but I'm actually about an hour from the city, depending on traffic. So let's do this. What are they willing to pay? Do you know?
I can find out.
Yeah, find out. I just, you know, whatever you need. So just let me know.
Awesome, we'll do.
All right. Have a great day, Colton.
You too.
Bye.
Bye.
I didn't tell my dad I am stopping by to say hello to him and his staff. I used to work at his office actually, so I'm friends with all of the staff. And I'm looking forward to seeing them. $14 on pump bait. Well, I'm in Houston now. I drive like an hour and 15 minutes to get here, and the errand takes about 5. I should hire an assistant. Thank you.
Cool, cool. You have a good weekend?
Busy, yeah.
Yeah.
I just got back from traveling for a while and I hit the ground running with like a couple different shoots and
Yeah.
I look really silly carrying a camera around. Oh well. All right. It's 11:18 and I am on my way back to the Woodlands to finish like 7 more errands before my meeting at 3 o'clock. Let's do this. Pants. Oh my gosh, are you videoing this? had a very successful lunch with my cousin, who I call my sister actually. She lived with my family for a time when we were young teenagers, and I love her. She lives in Dallas now, so we don't get to see each other super often. It's always great when she comes to town, so yay! Now to get my oil changed. This is Old Town Conroe. I just want to take a moment and appreciate people, because the line to get coffee was really long. So I went and I grabbed a water and I waved at the girl and I said, hey, when you're ready for me, I'm going to pay for this, but I'm going to go ahead and take it, sit down, start working. 15 minutes later, the line's finally starting to dissipate and this woman walks by me, and as she walks by, she's like, hey, I got your sparkling water for you. And then she just left. I like people. I like people a lot. See ya!
Annalise used to talk to herself all the time. And
she used to talk to herself, and I would walk in and be like, what you doing?
No, because she'd be doing the same thing.
No. And I'd be like, got you! Oh my gosh. And she said, I still do that. And she looks at me like, I don't do it. She's still a child.
Sometimes I still do that. And then there's Lark Cat.
Jesus loves you, 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 hallelujah.
So clean. I'm on my way to a little shindig with the girls that might be my future roommates. We're just gonna have dinner and swim, kind of get to know each other a little bit better. And it's the first day of school, but that doesn't actually affect any of us because, well, I guess we're all really old. I like it.
At first. It says Riley Puzzle, not Fuzzy Navel.
From Gary.
Just come on over to Gary.
I'll be gone.
I wish I could say I was going to bed, but I have like 3 hours of work to do, so this vlog needs to officially end. See you tomorrow.